How to Earn Money from YouTube, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Hey there, aspiring content creators and YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that many of you have been asking about. How to earn money from YouTube. If you're passionate about creating videos and want to turn your hobby into a lucrative venture, you're in the right place. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Segment 1. Setting the foundation. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's establish the foundation for monetizing your YouTube channel. 1. Choosing your niche. Start by selecting a niche that you're genuinely passionate about. Whether it's gaming, beauty, travel, or cooking, your enthusiasm will shine through your content and attract an engaged audience. 2. Creating high-quality content. Quality is key. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and editing software to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Engaging, informative, and entertaining content keeps viewers coming back for more. 3. Consistency is key. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Develop a content schedule and stick to it. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, let your viewers know when to expect new content. Segment 2. Monetization methods. Now that you've got your channel up and running, let's explore the various ways you can start earning money from YouTube. 1. Ad revenue. The most common method is through AdSense. Once you meet YouTube's requirements, like having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can enable ads on your videos. You'll earn a share of the revenue generated by those ads. 2. Channel memberships and Super Chat. Once you're eligible, you can offer channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee for special perks. Super Chat allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live chats. 3. Merchandise shelf. If you have a brand or merchandise, you can showcase your products on the merchandise shelf below your videos. This is a great way to promote and sell your own branded items. 4. YouTube Premium revenue. When YouTube Premium members watch your content, you get a portion of their subscription fee. So, the more engaging your videos, the more you can potentially earn. Segment 3. Building your audience and brand. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to build a strong brand and a loyal audience. 1. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with your audience. Building a community around your channel can increase engagement and loyalty. 2. Collaborations and sponsorships. Partnering with other creators or brands can expand your reach and bring in extra income. Just ensure that any collaborations align with your channel's values and content. 3. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with influencers, and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines. This can help attract new viewers to your channel. Segment 4. Tips for success. As you embark on your YouTube journey, here are some additional tips to keep in mind. 1. Be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build a thriving channel and start earning significant money. Stay committed and patient. 2. Learn and adapt. The YouTube landscape is ever evolving. Keep learning about algorithm changes, trends, and new features to stay ahead of the game. 3. Stay authentic. Your authenticity is what sets you apart. Stay true to yourself and your content, and your audience will appreciate it. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on how to earn money from YouTube. Remember, success requires dedication, hard work, and a genuine passion for what you do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to YouTube success. Disclaimer. Please note that the information provided in this video is based on our knowledge as of current date. YouTube's policies and guidelines may change over time, so we recommend checking the official YouTube Help Center for the most up-to-date information.